guys, what is up? So today I'm going to teach you how to move this Creative Cloud desktop to another to another disk instead of the system disk. Because you see, that this motherfucker can actually put itself in the C disk, which doesn't have a lot of space, right? So I decided to move it to Q disk, which has a lot more. I mean, doesn't matter, right? Because like this is system disk. If it's full of crap, then the machine will run slow. So the one video I recommend you to watch that actually solve my problem is this: how to create a symbolic link in Windows 10. So that we are going to use symbolic link to cheat the system, so that the Creative Cloud, this motherfucker, will actually think that he's still sitting his ass in the C disk, but he actually moved to Q disk. Okay, so there's how you're gonna do it. Okay, when you finish the downloading, it's okay. You do this. You go to the file. Okay, maybe you don't know where the file is, but you just search it and open file location. All right, and then hold Alt on your keyboard and double click it, right? And then click open file location. And here is where it's sitting at. Okay. I mean, I already copied it to the Q disk, but here's the thing: you go to Adobe, like program file. Okay, find this Adobe file. Like right now, it's a shortcut link because I already created the symbolic link. But for you, it's probably not shortcut. You just need to Control X, right? Hold Control X or just cut it. After you cut it, you go to the destination you want to go. All right. For example, I created this Adobe apps here, and then I paste all of the files, Adobe file, to here. All right. So now the real Adobe is here, right? All the shit is here. You paste it. Oh, remember, you need to close all of the Adobe programs first. All right, close this creative program, okay? Because otherwise you cannot paste it. You'll say, oh, you need to retry and stuff. One way to close all of the apps is to open up your text manager and then find anything about Creative Cloud. Okay, if there's Creative Cloud desktop, delete it, end it, click the end task. And then not just that, there are more shitty ass shit around here. Okay, like this is a desktop, and there's more, bro. Like service, like core sync, whatever that is. And there's like other some experience, CC experience. Those of the colorful Creative Cloud icon, just close them, and then you can copy it, and then you can paste it right here. Adobe apps. Just Adobe, okay? Remember, the name has to be the same. Otherwise, you can't cheat him, okay? The name has to be the same. Okay. Then now, you can create a symbolic link. How? Just do this, okay? According to this video, the video I'm recommending you to watch, okay, here. Open up the CMD. Just search it. Search CMD. It's so easy, man. So easy. Okay? And do this. mklink. Right, this is a symbolic link command. So this is what it is. Okay, this is the package you're gonna use, the method you're gonna use. Okay, and then here's the parameters you're gonna enter. /d. Why do you use /d? Because the /d represents the type of link you're entering. Okay, if you don't have /d, he's gonna think, okay, you are creating symbolic link for application, not directory. No. You don't want them to think like that. You want them to think you are creating symbolic link for the whole directory. Okay, I'm teaching you the reason. Okay, I'm telling you why. So /d to tell him that you are entering directory. So the first directory, the path is the fake link. It's the link that you want your app to think where it is, and the second one is the actual path you're entering. Okay, so the first one is what? Is this program files. All right, so enter it, but wait a second, you need to plus the Adobe. because they can't create a file that already exists. Program files, this folder is already existing. All right, that's why I need you to delete the whole thing so that it doesn't, the Adobe doesn't exist in a C disk at all. So they can create this fake link. It's a new thing, you know, you can't repeat it. So the second one is the actual link. So the actual link is here, right? And remember, don't forget your Adobe directory. So basically, yeah, it is what it is, man. Just do this. So yeah, that's it. I think that's it. And when I enter it, I can't enter it because I already have one, right? When the file already exists, right? Oh, another thing you need to remember. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. You need to run as administrator. Otherwise, it will say access denied. Access is denied, right? This motherfucker doesn't allow me to edit my own computer. So you need to click the second button. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I guess that's it. And then you can just try to open up Creative Cloud and see if that works. And by the way, if you want to, I think you know how to install this in another location because there's a ton of videos mentioning this, but there's no video mentioning how to make the whole big ass, shitty ass Creative Cloud desktop to another location. I found it myself, bro. I'm not an expert, but I just do my research, you know. Okay.